Flaming Bird Gaming here. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of this dragon butterfly knife. I got it for about $30 off Amazon. The box says Benchmade, but it's obviously fake. So, let's get into it. Here it is. It's a carrying case. Here it is. It has a belt strap stuff. It says Benchmade. And here's the actual knife itself. Here it is. Feels really nice. Has patterns. Oh, it has a spring latch too. It's obviously a trainer. Yeah, so you can test out your tricks. Yeah, I think that's about it for this dragon butterfly knife. Actually, it feels really nice. Especially the spring latch makes it worth the money. Yeah, I will probably make an update video in a couple months to show you how it's doing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.